to a place in the past we've been cast out of. Now we're back in the fight. We're back on the train. Back on the chain gang. Circumstance beyond our control. The phone, TV, and the news of the world got in the house like a pigeon from hell. From sand in our eyes and descended like flies. Put us back on the train. Us to live like we do. Bring me to my knees when I see what they've done to you. But I'll die as I stand here today, knowing that deep in my heart they'll fall to ruin one day for making us